Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'll show you how to safely open the case of your Paircase Verge Fuse watch. Watches over 200 years old need to be treated with the utmost care. Enjoy the channel. On the side of the case, there is a small button that should be pressed to release the inner spring and allow the outer case to open. This button is already very worn, which is normal considering the watch is over 200 years old. This is the spring that holds the case. Using a small pocket knife or a similar tool, gently insert it into the rim of the inner case. There is usually a small notch, and press to release the bezel that holds the crystal. At the 6 o'clock position, you'll find a small metal tip that belongs to the spring securing the movement inside the case. By gently pressing this tip backwards, the spring retracts, allowing the movement to be released from the case. Now proceed to close the case. Press the movement against the case until the spring compresses and it clicks into place. Insert the inner case into the outer one and press the front until the spring holds it in place.